3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, a lot of times you mess with trim that's already been painted like this, and you don't really want to mess up that trim. And you can when you drive the nails, the finished nails through. Ends up being a bulge on the other side. You have to dig it out and then fill it in with caulking more than once. Instead of doing that, what you can do is take a pair of channel locks, which is probably something in every home, and grab it here at the bottom, and then roll on the round side of that. And it pulls it out. And it doesn't tear up the board on the other side, which is where all your finish is at. Still the same. So it's a little trick that I learned along the way. I actually have some pinchers that are rounded, but channel locks end up being just as more common to have around, and your general household will have that. So that's one of the ways that you can pull out staples and nails without damaging the front. So a little tip for you to get along better at your own home. And the good old channel locks used for a lot of things. Sometimes when it shouldn't be used, like when you should be using a wrench instead of channel locks, you tear up the nut. Like I have a propane tank, and the guys end up using channel locks, but I didn't pay attention to it, and now the thing's rounded. You can't get a good grip with a pair of regular, wrench that fits that size. So channel locks are great for a lot of uses, but some uses you shouldn't be. So there you go, is a tip on how to use your channel locks to pull nails out of any number of things.